Moving on, 5 major publishers and an author have filed a lawsuit alleging that Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg authorized and encouraged the infringement of their copyrighted content. The lawsuit filed in a U.S. federal court argues that Meta misused copyrighted books and journal articles to train its artificial intelligence models without permission. Now, the lawsuit has been brought by publishers including Elsevier, Senage, Ocheth, Macmillan and McGraw-Hill, along with author Scott Turow. They allege that Meta pirated their content and used it to train its Llama AI systems to respond to user prompts. The complaint, filed as a proposed class action, seeks unspecified damages for copyright infringement. The publishers argue that Meta deliberately bypassed copyright protections and even considered licensing the material before abandoning the plan, allegedly on the instructions of the CEO Mark Zuckerberg. However, Meta has pushed back, saying AI training can qualify as fair use under the provisions of the U.S. Copyright Code and that it will fight the case. The fair use provisions allow limited use of copyrighted material without permission for purposes like commentary, research, education, or transformative uses. However, the lawsuit argues that Meta's conduct falls outside of protections afforded by fair use provisions. The lawsuit marks the latest escalation in a broader legal battle between content creators and tech companies over how AI models are trained. Several authors, artists, and media organizations have filed similar cases against firms including Meta, OpenAI, and Anthropic. But courts have so far shown some support for tech companies' arguments. In 2025, a U.S. judge dismissed a similar claim against Meta, ruling that training AI models on copyrighted books could fall under fair use.